So today we're gonna pull the ECM out of the Dodge finally, get that ready, get it packed up and shipped out. A company named Auto Computer Exchange is going to, they basically tear into the ECM and they see what's wrong with it, see if the drivers are bad. So they'll check everything out in it, and if they can fix it, they'll fix it. They'll replace it with a core, or they'll give you a whole new ECM. So I'm just gonna do like a little, for anybody with a second gen, how to pull your ECM out. Hopefully I'll be able to get my camera in to see like what I'm doing. It's pretty straightforward to pull the ECMs out of these. I thought we'd do another video on the Dodge since it's been sitting around. So in the 5.9 second gens, the ECM's plugged in right here. It's one plug and then it's bolted to the actual side of the engine block. I hope you guys can see that. So yeah, directly in the middle of that plug, there's gonna be a 4mm Allen holding it in. You're gonna wanna unthread that all the way. So yeah, and then once you get that Allen out, you'll be able to pull that plug all the way out of the ECM. And then there's gonna be a few mounting bolts around the perimeter of it. So yeah, it's held to the block with 3 bolts. I already got 2 of them out. They're all 10 mils. You gotta get that, it looks like I gotta get that last one out with a wrench. I know it's gonna be really hard to see on this, but I'll put a picture up. I'll put a picture up in the video of what it looks like mounted to the side of the block. You'll be able to see what I mean. But that little 10 mil down there is that last one. So you just get that bottom one out. It's kind of a pain in the ass to get to. And that ECM is free. Kind of finesse it out. Drop the ratchet under the truck. So now you got your old ECM out. You got to package it up. Don't lose the hardware that you mounted to the block with. Save that for when it gets back in the mail. But yeah, it's just a quick video for anybody who has to remove their ECM from a second gen Cummins 2500. And it's really simple. So yeah, like I said, we're gonna get that packaged up in a nice like padded envelope and get that out to the company that's gonna check it out for me. Quick update on the BMW, the fuel line. Hold on. So the tank, the pump is on the passenger side of the tank, and the line going from the passenger side to the feed line under the car was completely rubbed through in a spot. I have it. And so we got a new line on the way. I really should do all the lines, but it's not that big of a deal to me right now because I'll probably have to drop the tank when I do the subframe. So I'll change out all these lines. So yeah, that's it for this one. Make sure you're tuned in, especially for second gen technical videos. Hopefully we'll get that back in a little bit. There'll be a video on the M3 in between. So yeah, just make sure to like the video, subscribe. Stay tuned to the channel for what's coming up.